Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and also the weekly chart, and we will try to understand what the charts are telling us technically, what can be the outlook for these two cryptocurrencies in the near future. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first, the chart of Bitcoin. And if you look at here, we can see that there is a clear downtrend is there, but look at closely, you can see that there is a complete lack of momentum. So in the previous recent previous videos, we were talking about this thing, that the price will be there in this area, in this range of somewhere around 20,000 to 22,600. So that is the range, and just look at here, you can see the price is completely trading in a range. So we are lacking the complete price momentum here. And also if you just look at here, you can see the volumes are declining, it's falling. So which means there are very less people who are actually participating in this particular cryptocurrency. So till the time the price will not give you or any direction or any indication of one side or a direction, we are not sure. So what can happen here? Two things can happen. One, either the price can give a breakout to the upside, which means the resistance का अगर वो break करता है, and if that price trades are higher than the resistance, that can happen. And if not, then price can just trade below than this 20,000 level. So once we will see that the price will trade below than 20,000 level, you will see a good fall. And either the case, like if the price gives a resistance breakout, you will definitely see a upside, good upside. But the probability of downside breakout looks more, as we are in a downtrend here. And you can see that overall all the crypto market and all the cryptocurrencies are as of now falling. So the probability is the price, once the price breaks this 20,000 support area, we might able to see the next immediate level at 17,500. So this is something you can look for the Bitcoin. And let me just also check the weekly chart here, so that we will get more idea here. All right, so just look at here, this is how, let me just refresh it again. So basically here, what is happening from the past week, after a good fall, the price is basically just taking up a support at 20,000, because psychologically also the 20,000 level is very important. So once you will see there is a breakout, there is a clear direction, then we might able to get more clarity on the Bitcoin perspective. Now just look at here, so this is the daily chart, and the price is trading at this level. So just look at the last week's momentum, which is a dozy. So you can see it's a very small movement was there. However, the price tested the support of 20,000 somewhere. It did just go below, went down to little bit down towards this 20,000 level, but closes above than that. So that is something which looks interesting as of now. And this is, today is the first week, so we are not sure what can happen, but definitely you can see if in this week you are getting a momentum in either of the direction, we might get more clarity. So this is something you can see that 20,000, that's the first support area where the price is taking a support, and it's a very important level. And this 17,500 becomes the next important or the next crucial support level for the Bitcoin. So this is you can see for the Bitcoin chart. And if you look at the Ethereum here, so let me just come to the Ethereum now. So this is Ethereum. So Ethereum is trying to basically trade at around the resistance area of 1215. So just look at this this momentum. It is also trading in a range, but every time the price reaching to 1215 resistance, there we can see a sell. And just look at the volume. So the volumes are very less here, and if the breakout happens, we will not be sure whether that breakout will be a sustainable one, because that might be a false breakout if we are not getting any good volumes with that breakout. So if the volumes will less, and if you see that the price will close above than 1215, that might be a false indication, that might be a false breakout. So beware of that kind of movement for the Ethereum. And if yes, if we can see a breakout with good volumes, we will definitely see a reversal kind of situation. But let's see what can happen, unless and until you are not getting these two situations, breakout with the volumes, we will not sure about the upside movement. The immediate thing, or the thing which we are getting more probability is that the price will come back again to this 1050 level. So that is the important support level as of now for the Ethereum. And if you look at the weekly chart, so I'm sure not much momentum we will get there also. Let me just quickly check it. So I'll have to change the this time frame. So give me a second. All right. Right, so overall it's a downtrend, and if you just look at here, you can see that the price is just look at here. So price is just basically, last week it just closes very near to the resistance level, which is an important thing. And if in this week the price gives you a little bit breakout towards upside, we might able to see a 1500 level as well. And if not, again price will come back to 1050 level 1, and then again to the 900 level. So this is for the Ethereum, the level. And overall it's a downtrend for both of the currencies. And if the people comes here, traders come here, if the buying trading activity happens little more, then we might able to get more price action here. Otherwise it's a flat market, it's a dull market as of now for both of the cryptocurrencies. So this is how we basically conduct this session. And if because there is not much momentum nowadays, so we are basically, so we are not getting much price action here. But definitely once we will get it, we will also discuss all those things. So I would like to just request to all of you that subscribe to our channel, so you will get to know about lot of things about the analysis part for the equities, commodities, currencies, forex market, cryptocurrencies, for every asset class. And like the video, and also hit the notification bell icon. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much.